You know me. You know me. I talk and say my wife dey preg. Where I carry the money give am.
I cow. Say the I car. Enya obu trek among kwao. Komfo nyina de no ho agim. Na native doctor there. What the scam and kwede. Oh Charlie. So this is Branty Yomo friend of Ibrahim Pa. Allegedly, according to sources in the news, PNHRS, uni ade ono shellbo. So between the word to coin. Destination ni be Canada, Bolivia, Nicaragua, United States. Shellbo so between the work. Now I had what you ana cat. To a squad in this car. Or GB no $5,000, or GB 6,000, it be 9,000. So they only 2 coin. According to information I made my gadano.
I talk and say my wife dey preg. Where I carry the money give am. I give he say make I give am my car. Make he take my car. He say if he take my car, he no go balance me. I go sell my car, father. Can't give am physical series. He can't give me $2 where I take give am. Make he give me my money, I take me shit. He say make I wait for Colombian transit visa. Foolish boy. You don't talk for Colombian transit visa. I dey take me for Bolivia. I pay 9,000 to go Bolivia. Your mother. 9,000 for Bolivia. $9,000 for Bolivia. Check it. Put him back around.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.
You know me. I talk and say my wife dey preg.
And yeah, easy, Charlie. That's why I just got almost $30,000. Oh, I say August 26, Wednesday, Ghana Circuit Court for him. As I say, the crony there, I who politicians we are suffer for so the omo gym boys and so no say so come for you know so the whole Bible gym there. See the bed there. As obi area last week was saying a test say girl be so say Ghana's most beautiful so. Yes, so ko we are tade bi ama ye two ato almost why ye bro mo any. Asemo Charlie scam and the level of don't say adwuma. Mo bia so nhyɛ wo boss or the wo tu kwan no nji sika nkonkodi. Ye wo kwan a wo fa so a betumi atu kwan. Embassy no wo honom. So ye wo kwan a process wo honom a wo fa so a wo betumi atu kwan. Enya won krata abetena wo ba bia ye adwuma. Ama wasoma ye dan. Adwo na saa fama me na me do be ko ha de wa ko ha ne de udi omo achi a usika ahye usika nso so anhye a ba bia de wo be ko akɔwie no wasomo ndwo etumi tam obi de no kɔto ba bi te say Iraq ana Syria na wo Syria honom no mo to okra edwane de bia ye to bomb honom so enti wo usika bi na wo betu kwan a suade your research American embassy na bi wa Accra pekwan na osu sua de kakra na hese obetumi a ente san so abomoden na ye hwehwemu ansa na wo do sika yeden ama obi ko we de enye fe ya de chale Ibrahim pa wanya de chale na de wa usika represent or you work up people na wo top out komfo bi eni ho amemisi so o mate se o scam Crawford agi se bia agrada na sika gari. That was the only one I may say. I was there say I saw for be. Obeton one mile. Arrest him oil. When I mean say be a scam you be to me at the free aba. And I say be a politicians yeah you to about more. Omo boy crony to say a dubo hen case yeah kosi. So any girl yeah say give to your worry Charlie. Momunsia there. Mo be answer obo. Say fiska brem and I'm the 2 coin. Yawa. Cause I represent your work up on a Charlie, the way I know see what them and all to powder and nefe. I win you as I be PM no Charlie. And your guy is sad on both sides. Or more music I is sad. And a boy and Anka sounds a sad man because so hearing them Chale any brain yo, any brain ya, ade enya wo de ade enkofa. So na ade a wontumi nye nso so. Men kwaje ho sika se wo beye. Chale ya na mo careful. Sky emoja o, sika emoja. Say ya na mo careful chale. Ahaye eja 3 more TV. Chale YouTube, more like and more subscribe.